Now guys, I do have an important announcement regarding the updates to my channel. Hello and thank you so much for joining me for another video. Today I will be sharing with you all the business income that I was able to earn for the month of March. Now if you missed any of the cash stuffing videos, I'll leave them linked up above and you can go back and check them out. I've already completed January and February. So the first video I kind of slowed down and gave you guys some details, and hope that you all would glean some information that will help you with your business finances as well. So I have everything that I need to get started, guys. Of course, I have the cash, I have the business scripts. This is my A5 Plum Paper planner I use for the business. And of course, this is the cash envelope binder. Anything that you see me using, I do have the links down below in the description box. Now, before I get into setting up our business income for the month of March, guys, we really do appreciate your support. You all are just amazing. And I know I keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you, but guys, it is because of you that we are able to earn anything. So it is just a blessing, guys. It really is. So we thank you so much, guys. We love you and we do not take your support for granted. So let me go ahead and get the March spread set up for you guys. All right, guys. So this is the March business income setup. And down here, this is the revenue sources. So the business was able to earn revenue from Etsy, YouTube, and Amazon. I didn't have an Amazon sticker, so I just used Side Hustle Payday and put Amazon to the side. So anytime you all use the link down below and you purchase something with that link through Amazon, then I do earn a small commission. And this is the first month that we were able to earn revenue from Amazon. So again, thank you guys so much for your support. So the owner's pay, this is the owner's draw. So I was able to earn a total of $329.86 this month. And then down here, cash envelope stuffing. These are the cash envelopes that I will be stuffing for, this here portion, which belongs to me. Now I do tithe, and tithe is 10%. So we do know that 329.86 times 0.10, that's $32.98, and I just go ahead and round it to $33. And then I've got to subtract the 33 from this amount. Now the cents will go into the savings challenge, so I'm just going to work with whole dollars. So 329 minus 33, that leaves us with $296. And I'm going to put 50% of that towards our debt snowball. So times 0.50, that's $148 for the debt snowball, which is amazing. So we'll be able to make that extra debt payment for the month of March. And I'm hoping to have that video up for you guys on Wednesday. So make sure you stay tuned if you want to see me make that third debt snowball payment towards our taxes. And then we have $148 left. So let's just make sure. So 329 minus 33 and then minus 148. Yep, we have $148 left. So what I like to do, this here savings is the personal savings. And right now I'm having to save for a cell phone, guys. My cell phone is old. I am rocking with a old Samsung Note. And it is a Note, I think it's a Note 4, maybe a Note 3, but it's old, guys. And I recently received a text message from AT&T telling me that my phone will no longer work as of February 2022 because they're getting rid of their 3G network. So guys, they are giving me the boot. I have been holding on to this phone, guys. So I've got to save for a cell phone because I want to pay cash for it. I'm not getting any type of payment plan. So This here savings, I'm going to put towards that phone. So that personal savings, it'll be $100. So that'll leave us the $48.86 to put into our savings challenge, which is awesome. And I'll go ahead and do a quick tally. So these here items should equal the owner's pay. So the 33, 148, 100, and then the 48.86. Yep, that is correct. So next I'm going to go ahead and update the tracker. All right, guys, so I am at the business income tracker, and I set this up using the business income kit, and these here little boxes are add-ons. Now I'm keeping a monthly total of how much I've been able to earn from the business. So for March, of course, it is the $329.86. So thank you guys again so much for your support. All right, so now that I have updated the business income tracker, we are going to stuff some cash envelopes, guys. All right, guys, so this is the money from the bank. So I'm going to go ahead and count it with you all. This should be 86 cents. So that's the 50, 60, 70, 85, and 86. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the coin jar. All right, so now that the coins are in the coin jar, we should have $329. Now this cash slip I received from Paper by Mo. And again, I will leave all the information in the description box, along with the cash envelope system that I received from Bree Cherie Plan. So make sure you go and check their shops out, guys. So 329. So we have 100, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 15, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. I'm not going to even talk about this here raggedy ate up dollar. I guess long as the serial number is present, it'll still spin. All right, so I'm going to set up this cash. All right, guys, so the first envelope that I will be stuffing is tithes, and this is the printable that I'm using for the month of March, and it is in the shop. Now I have these here transaction trackers. I'm not going to fill in all the transaction trackers today with you guys, but I am going to fill in the one for the tithe. So for today, we will put March 29th, and we will just say this is March OP, which is owner's pay, and the amount that I'm adding to it is $33, and then the balance will be $33. And I will turn this in on Sunday, and then I'll update it again. So 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3. 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3. So that is that. All right, the next envelope we will be updating is the debt snowball. And as you see, there's nothing in this envelope because I went ahead and did a deposit of the monies. So right here, February 26th, we had a debt payment of the $169. Of course, it was deposited, and that amount was paid towards the debt. So there's nothing in here, but for the month of March, we are going to add $148. So let's go ahead and just take this large bill. That's 100, 20, 45, 6, 7, 8. So that's $148. And like I said, I'll update this off camera. So next I am stuffing the personal savings envelope, and it gets $100. And as you see, guys, I don't have anything in this envelope. March 1st, I did a deposit of the balance that was in here. I don't like to have a whole lot of cash sitting around the house, so I went ahead and made that deposit. So we'll go ahead and add the $100 today. All right, so the next envelope that I will be stuffing is the savings challenge envelope, guys, and this is the last envelope that will get money. Now, as you see, there's money still in here. Now with the savings challenge, I've got to give you guys an update on the amount that we have been able to save for our quarterly savings challenge. And if you want to learn more about the quarterly savings challenge, I'll leave that video linked up and you can go and check it out. So you will get your first update from us. It'll be in April, so I will definitely include this money in it, and we will make a large deposit of the amount that we were able to save. So we should have $123 already in this envelope. So let's go ahead and count this really quick. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So we do have that amount, 123. And we are adding $48. The 86 cents is already in the jar. So 20, 45, 6, 7, 8. So that 123 plus 48 should be $171 total. So let's make sure we do one more count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and 71. So that is correct. There's a total of 171. And I'll go ahead and update this one here with you guys. And I'm going to use my pen that comes with Briecherie's envelope system. And we will add this money to our savings challenge. And we will get a grand total of how much we were able to save this first quarter. So I'm excited to do that video, guys. I really am. All right, guys, so I have the tithes in this little pocket here that I am loving. We've got our debt snowball, personal savings, and savings challenge stuff. Now, guys, I do have an important announcement regarding the updates to my channel. Now, this is the last cash envelope stuffing video that I will be recording. Now, if you watched the first cash stuffing envelope video that I did in January, I explained to you guys that I did not want to just start using the income and adding it to our household budget until I at least showed you guys how I handle the income on the business side. So I've done that for the first quarter. So January, February, and March, I've shared with you guys how I divvy up that income and earn that owner's pay. So I will not be recording cash envelope stuffing videos. I will continue cash envelope stuffing, but like I said, it won't be recorded. The second update to the channel is that I will not be recording new release videos separately. So what I've decided to do is share new releases along with the other videos. So just like I did, I think it was March monthly budget, I shared with you guys the new releases in that video. May have been March or February. And so it'll be much easier for me to share with you all a quick update of any new releases that I have to the shop, coupled with a video that I'm already recording. So those are the two changes going forward. Like I said, I've reevaluated certain things with the channel, and I gave it one full quarter. And generally, after the first quarter, the first of the year, I like to evaluate, and if there's something that I do need to change, I go ahead and change it. That way we can be smooth sailing for the remainder of the year. But yeah, guys, I do enjoy cash envelopes for the business, so that is not gonna stop. Like I say, I just won't have time to actually record and edit these types of videos. So I'm trying to streamline things to make it a little bit better for me, because I'm juggling a whole lot, guys. I really am. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this cash envelope stuffing video. Make sure that you guys stay tuned. I have one more video to get out for the month of March, and that video is the last extra debt payment that I'm going to make for the month of March on our tax debt. So make sure you stay tuned for that video, guys. And you already know the deal. I'm going to see you later. Bye.